Welcome back. First video of 2024. I'm happy to start recording again. I'm going to get straight into it. We're going to talk about my favorite cleaner, at least for suction cleaners. It's the Zodiac G3. And sometimes, all cleaners have their issues, their pros and cons. Sometimes this cleaner seems to get stuck on a step or a corner. Two most common reasons. One, this circular thing is called the wheel deflector, all right? And if it starts bumping up, bumping, it'll start to erode, and in this case, completely just break and snap off. So it doesn't have the width to actually bounce off of, corners and steps. And the second is called a bumper fin, right? So this will also bump, until it's made such. Look at a good one, nice and curvy. Okay, until it's supposed to look like this. Until it's made such a dent into here, just from pounding and pounding, that it no longer has, again, any girth to bounce off, so it stays stuck. So I'm going to show how to repair or replace both of them, okay? First one being the wheel deflector. It's pretty simple. Just need to pop it off, okay? Go up. And look here, it stays below and underneath this lip. So you just need to get this part over it and it'll slide right off. Press down. Gotta put some power into it. Boom, that's it. You didn't break anything. Just that inside of here, you have teeth that go below this and it stays in this notch. So you do have to apply some pressure, okay? Got a new one inside a bag. I'll leave links to all of this in the description. Nice brand new one. All right, you have an end that has ridges and one that does not. The side that has the ridges is going to go up. It's going to stay away from the rest of it. Okay, so it's going to have to apply some pressure. Boom, snap right back in. That was pretty self-explanatory. And again, it's seating below that notch. So now you got a new wheel deflector. As far as the bumper fin, I'll take the old one off, okay? Gonna have to lefty-loosey take this knob to expose all the internal components, okay? The bumper fin, this will just come off, okay? And it's just held together on the bottom part, boom, by this little notch, okay? So to replace it, which I don't have a new one, but hey, this is a new one, took it out of the bag. Right, you're just gonna slide it on and it'll go back in here, and I'll get more into detail, and then it'll get closed back into place here. There's one place, don't worry about any of that. There's one place that will hook this in, this little notch, okay? You can see there's a little bit of a lip underneath it. So this hole on the bottom end is going to go through that. If you attempt to just push it down from the top and just push it down, it's not going to seat. You have to actually slide it up underneath that first, like this, get it hooked on, and then the rest will go in. So I don't know how good of a picture I'm gonna get, but remember, this has a notch underneath it. So this, I'm gonna hook it on below that part. Boom, and it slipped right back, it snapped right back into place, right? And then the rest of this will just slide right back on. And once you get your nut back in here, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, now it's completely secure, okay? So, quick recap, your Zodiac G3, two reasons why you might be getting stuck in the corner, right? Both are replacements. One is the wheel deflector. Again, look how much girth this new one has compared to this old one. This was really hitting the walls after several years, and these parts are not cheap, either of them. So do your math. If your hoses are torn up, is it worth, buying, I think the bumper fin is $80 something. This wheel deflector is in the 40s. I will leave descriptions, links. I will leave links to both of them in the description, okay? To see if it's worth it for you to either buy a new one, especially if your hoses are worn out, because hoses are not cheap. Or if it's just, the wheel deflector was 40 something bucks. For me, it was just worth it just to replace it, because all the other components are still good and they're still intact. Okay, wheel deflector, bumper fin. Make sure that, look at that groove, where it should be nice, completely oval. Okay, pretty simple. Couple seconds to pop each part off, couple seconds to pop them right back in. Those are the two reasons why your your Zodiac G3 might be getting stuck in a corner. Of course, leave your comments below if that's happened to you. Okay, if you have any other reason why maybe it got stuck in a corner, it'd be good. I'd like a little bit more interaction this year, if possible. And if anybody has any video recommendations, again, leave them in the comment section. I want to make as many. Every Friday I'm going to drop a video like I did last summer. So every Friday there'll be a new video for the weekend. But if there's something I haven't covered yet, and it's something that you want me to go over that's been bugging you, or a point of pain for your pool, your equipment, again, in the comment section, leave it below. I'm very happy to start making videos again this year. I was waiting all winter. So thanks so much, and I'll see you again next time.